At TrickleStar, we take electrical safety and the quality of our products very seriously. Our products are installed in millions of homes. The safety of the people using our products is a core value that is central to everything we believe in. It's very important that users and program sponsors understand the many differences between PowerStrips, and more importantly, what's under the hood, as not all PowerStrips are the same, even though they may look similar. The design, safety features, and the standards to which they are produced vary widely. According to the National Fire Protection Association, local fire departments responded to an average of 45,000 home fires involving electrical failures or malfunctioning each year, from 2012 to 2016. Over 50% of these fires were due to electrical failure or malfunction. Each year, these fires caused an average of 440 civilian deaths, 1,250 civilian injuries, and $1.3 billion in property damage. A significant number of these fires are attributed to the incorrect use of PowerStrips by end users. Some common mistakes include daisy chaining or piggybacking PowerStrips into each other, overloading or plugging too many devices into a PowerStrip, and incorrect placement of a PowerStrip near moisture or out in the elements. High current loads, such as air conditioners and space heaters, are required by code and manufacturer's installation requirements to be plugged directly into a receptacle. Users often mistakenly plug these into PowerStrips, which can be very dangerous. Most PowerStrips are either UL or ETL certified, but user error or incorrect use can cause a serious fire hazard or safety incident. Figuring out what happened after a safety incident is often a costly, time-consuming process and can sometimes prove inconclusive. At TrickleStar, we know that users often don't read instructions and often use PowerStrips in ways that are unsafe and contrary to the electrical code. To deal with this, we built in additional safety features to ensure as often as possible that products fail in a safe, controlled manner when they are not installed and used properly. Our goal is to protect users and program sponsors from legal and reputational risks. So here are some of the features built into a TrickleStar Advanced PowerStrip that help achieve minimal fire risk and maximum safety. All of TrickleStar's products are certified to the latest UL safety standards. UL is widely recognized as the industry benchmark for safety and compliance testing. The TrickleStar factory is inspected and certified every year by UL. Manufacturers often try to save money by using thinner cable that has less copper inside. All TrickleStar products use heavy-duty, power cord rated to 15 amps, and high-quality flat plugs that can't be easily bent or damaged when mounted behind furniture. Manufacturers often use inferior, low-cost plastics. UL 94 V0 rated plastic material is used in TrickleStar products and is much safer than low-cost UL 94 V2 plastic, which is currently used by many other brands. UL 94 V0 rated material is significantly less flammable. Thicker, stronger plastic also make the enclosure more rigid and less likely to fracture. Safety screws also prevent end users from opening the unit and risking electrocution. LED indication for ground status, surge status, and switch statuses is included. For surge protection technology to work properly, good grounding is necessary. Without this, the surge protection cannot operate, leading to user complaints and claims for damaged equipment. The LED indicator lens is molded into the casing to avoid any moisture flowing into the PowerStrip through the lens if there's a leak above the APS. Child safety protection covers help prevent children sticking objects into unused outlets. A heavy-duty, high-quality circuit breaker is used, as opposed to a combined circuit breaker switch. The PowerStrip enclosure is molded to protect the circuit breaker and allow it to operate freely. The circuit breaker can't be jammed on by furniture. Internal power cables are dressed in heat shrink and physically separated to keep them from touching and increasing internal temperatures. TrickleStar PowerStrips use FR4 printed circuit board materials. FR stands for flame resistant. FR4 is the highest flame retardant rating of the UL94V index. Burning stops within 10 seconds. Most PowerStrips use PCB materials that only stop burning after 60 seconds. In addition to a thermal circuit breaker, TrickleStar PowerStrips include two thermal safety fuses. One is located on the PCB, and the other is located next to the metal oxide varistors. In the event of an overtemperature condition, the fuses will blow and cut off power to the PowerStrip. Large electrical surges can cause metal oxide varistors to explode and combust. TrickleStar PowerStrips use patented ceramic-encased metal oxide varistors that prevent fire in the event of an abnormal electrical surge. Ceramic-encased MOVs suppress more energy and dissipate heat faster, eliminating fire risk from MOV failures. Jumper cables in TrickleStar PowerStrips are crimped with a special connector before insertion and soldering onto the PCB. Internal cables are stranded, and it is very common for small cables to be splayed during insertion to the PCB. These cable crimps prevent this splaying problem and help prevent dangerous arcing, which is common to many low-quality PowerStrips. Internal jumper cables are spot welded and then soldered to ensure a strong, reliable electrical connection that prevents arcing and heat buildup. Competitor products only spot weld cables, increasing the risk of poor electrical connections. TrickleStar products undergo rigorous functional and electrical quality control tests before being passed for shipment. In addition to rigorous testing, TrickleStar uses independent third-party inspectors to randomly sample and inspect units to ensure quality standards are being maintained. Each TrickleStar unit is production batch coded and serialized so that it can be traced and easily identified. Batch codes are captured in TrickleStar's SAP system, and we are able to trace where and when units are sent to customers. We offer the most flexible connected equipment warranty in the market, with up to $20,000 in coverage. Many manufacturers place unreasonable requirements, like registration of a product before a warranty becomes valid. TrickleStar does not. We have product liability insurance provided by Lloyd's of London and SART of $8 million per occurrence. Lloyd's is recognized as offering the most comprehensive product liability insurance coverage in the market. In addition to these safety standards, TrickleStar factories are regularly audited to ensure compliance with labor standards. Fair and safe working conditions ensure that no underage workers are employed in the factory, and the factory is compliant with environmental requirements. Many low-cost manufacturers produce PowerStrips using underage labor in poor conditions, and environmental compliance is non-existent. What you get when you choose a TrickleStar product is a product that is designed from the outset to ensure quality and safety. Our manufacturing process, industry-leading customer service, and after-sales support makes TrickleStar the clear choice. Our utility partners and program sponsors can deploy TrickleStar products knowing that users have the safest and best quality PowerStrip solutions in the market.